Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a great little trick on how to use TradingView's multiple chart layouts for free, even if you don't have a pro subscription. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to view multiple charts side by side on TradingView, just like the pros do, without paying a single cent. This method is absolutely perfect if you want to keep an eye on different stocks, timeframes, or indicators all at once, maximizing your analysis and efficiency. Let's jump right in and get set up together. First up, you'll want to open TradingView in your browser just like you normally would when you're ready to chart. Make sure you're logged in and have a chart pulled up that you're interested in monitoring. Now here, where the trick comes in. Instead of just staying on one tab, you're going to create multiple browser tabs, each with its own TradingView chart. It's a simple workaround, but it's super effective. What you'll want to do is go up to the URL bar at the top of your browser, copy the link. Just give it a quick highlight and press Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Next, open 3 brand new tabs in your browser. You can do this by hitting the plus sign next to your current tab or pressing Ctrl+T. Then, paste that TradingView URL into each of those new tabs and hit Enter. What we're doing here is essentially creating a fresh copy of your TradingView chart in each tab, so it's like having multiple instances ready to go. Take your time here. It's totally okay if it takes a few extra seconds to get everything loaded up. Don't worry if you see the same chart in every tab for now. We'll customize each one shortly. Now, this next move makes all the difference. Click and drag each of those new tabs out of your browser window so that each one becomes its own separate window. This part might feel a little awkward if you haven't worked with multiple browser windows before, but all you need to do is click on the tab itself, drag it away from the main browser window, and it'll automatically pop into its own window. This is what lets us arrange them side by side. Once you have your 4 separate TradingView windows, you'll want to organize them neatly on your desktop so you can see them all at the same time. Hover over the Minimize button in your browser window. On Windows, this will reveal some quick layout shortcuts. One of them usually looks like a grid of 4 squares, letting you instantly snap the window into 1/4 of your screen. Go ahead and select that 4-square layout. Now just drag each of your TradingView windows into a different quadrant so you'll have 4 charts visible at once. At this point, all your charts will still show the same thing. To get the most out of this setup, go into each TradingView window and change the time interval or even the underlying asset, depending on what you want to analyze. For example, you can monitor Bitcoin on the 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, and daily charts all at the same time. Or you could compare different stocks or currencies, whatever fits your trading style. This custom view is incredibly helpful for spotting trends that you might miss when looking at a single chart. And that's pretty much it. You've just unlocked TradingView's multi-chart layout feature for free using a clever browser technique. It's a little workaround, but it's worked wonders for me and many others. No pro plan required. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups setting this up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.